Hey everyone, this is Karan back with another unboxing video. Today I'm going to unbox something really special. This is not that something special, it's gonna come later. But this, thankfully, is a free gift from Seiko India. I'm gonna quickly unbox this and then move on to the main attraction. Seems to be documentation, warranty information, and user manual. As you can see, this is the Seiko alarm clock. I haven't had owned an alarm clock of this sort for a very long time. So let's see how much time it takes for me to throw it against the wall. Fujitsu battery, I'm glad they're using a Japanese brand rather than using a local Indian made brand just because it's sold in India. This is the alarm clock. And like I said, as you can, I just do that and you can hear that sound, and it's pretty damn irritating. So I'm sure it's gonna knock all the sleep out of me whenever it rings and whenever I set it and use it. So I'm gonna put this away for now and come to the main attraction of the video, which is the SRPE83. People who know their Seiko watches know what I'm talking about here. This is the Seiko 5 Sports Series watch made especially to commemorate Brian May. And me being a fan of Queen, it just made sense for me to get it. So this is the Seiko 5 presentation box. This box is specially made for this watch. Otherwise, it just comes in a standard Seiko box. I'm gonna open this up and see what's inside. The instructions and the movement manual. This seems to be the warranty and guarantee instruction with the warranty card there. This is a certificate of authenticity. Thank you for your purchase. This card verifies the authenticity of the Seiko watch. Also, thank you, Seiko India. I mean, this is pretty nice. This is a nice inclusion because most of our previous purchases have been through the grey market, and although we know the sources are trusted and that the watches are authentic, but it's always nice to have that kind of extra touch. That's a nice presentation box in there. Again, why Seiko did this watch with for Brian May is because not only is Brian May an accomplished singer, songwriter, music producer, the lead guitarist of Queen, but he is also and an astrophysicist, but he is also a big Seiko fan. He sports his Seiko SKX007 regularly, and it's a very documented fact that he's a fan of Seiko. So let's quickly go through this box. It looks like the box looks like a box for a guitar, and that's a very nice touch. When I remove this, I can see the Brian May signature, and it mentions limited edition. I'm gonna come to the watch next, but what is this right here? Okay, so this seems to be a commemorative collector's coin that says Brian May Official 2020, has Brian May's visage on there, Seiko Red Special. The timepiece mentions, he has his initials there, and his Red Special guitar is also depicted there. So I'm going to talk through about all of those things when I pick up this watch and show it to you. All right, I'm going to put the box away. Big distraction. All right, so I like the new Seiko 5 Sports watches because it's a clean reissue of the the classic SKX007 model, and with added functionality for the modern age, so to speak. And this one comes on a NATO strap because Brian May wears his Seiko on a NATO, and they wanted to commemorate that. I would have loved for Seiko to include a fitted bracelet, but that's okay. There are multiple aftermarket options available to me. Apart from that, as you can see, the dial has a distinct design. It is in the shape of a guitar, and as you can see, it mentions Red Special down there. Red Special depicts the homemade electric guitar that Brian May has used all these years for most of his music. So that's a very nice touch on this watch. Even the chapter ring around is red. As you can see, I don't know if you can make out, but the red sections of the dial, there's a texture there, and I'm going to try and capture that in some macro shots later on, which I'm going to post on Instagram. So please follow me there and check out these shots when I post them. I'm very happy for this watch. It means a lot to me and to the hobby and to Seiko and to Brian May as well. So I'm glad Seiko made this watch and I got it. Give me a like and subscribe here on my channel if you like my content. Thank you for watching.